Keto bread, a staple in the ketogenic diet, caters specifically to those seeking to reduce their carbohydrate intake. It perfectly aligns with the low-carb, high-fat principles of keto by substituting traditional flours with low-carb alternatives such as almond or coconut flour. This bread allows individuals to enjoy familiar textures and flavors without disrupting their metabolic state of ketosis, essential for the diet's effectiveness. With increasing awareness and pursuit of healthier lifestyles, keto bread has surged in popularity, becoming a favored choice among health-conscious consumers looking to maintain a balanced yet strict diet protocol. Traditional baking heavily depends on carbohydrates and gluten to achieve the desired texture and rise in baked goods. Gluten acts as a binding agent, creating a network that traps air and allows bread to rise. On the other hand, the ketogenic diet alters this dynamic by drastically reducing carb intake to promote fat burning through ketosis. This shift necessitates innovative baking approaches that replace high-carb ingredients with keto-friendly alternatives, redefining how treats are made without compromising the diet's strict carb restrictions, helping individuals maintain a balance between indulgence and nutritional adherence. In keto baking, traditional wheat flour is replaced with alternatives like almond flour, coconut flour, and psyllium husk to adhere to low-carb requirements. Each of these ingredients brings unique qualities to keto bread. Almond flour adds a nutty flavor and dense texture, while coconut flour offers a lighter consistency and sweet undertones. Psyllium husk acts as a powerful binding agent that helps mimic the gluten-like structure, contributing to the bread's elasticity. These ingredients transform the texture and flavor profiles of keto bread, making it not just nutritionally suitable but also appealing to the palate. Low-carb baking significantly deviates from traditional methods by altering the foundational chemistry of baking. Without gluten and traditional flours, keto baking relies on alternative ingredients like almond and coconut flour, which interact differently. Such ingredients lack the gluten network that provides elasticity and moisture retention, posing challenges in texture and flavor emulation. Innovations in keto recipes must strategically use binders like xanthan gum or psyllium husks to mimic these properties. This adaptational chemistry highlights the complexity and creativity required to produce enjoyable keto-friendly baked goods that meet texture and taste expectations. Mastering keto bread baking at home requires understanding specific techniques and avoiding common pitfalls. Key tips include precise measurement of alternative flours like almond or coconut to ensure the correct consistency and dough structure. Moisture control is crucial, as keto flours tend to be more absorbent. Incorporating binders such as psyllium husk can prevent crumbliness, enhancing the bread's elasticity. Preheating the oven to the right temperature is vital for optimal rise. Experimenting with different keto recipes allows bakers to find their preferred taste and texture, making home-baked keto bread a delightful and nutritious addition to the keto lifestyle.